You are watching the NHC120NB cutting a 4 3/4 inch bar of 1045 material. The saw blade speed is 95 RPM. The feed per tooth is set at 0.08 millimeters per tooth using a 60-tooth saw blade that is only 0.105 inches thick. The cut length is 3/4 inch. The total cycle time is only 15.7 seconds. The NHC120NB has a 4 3/4 inch capacity, and like all Nishijimax NHC cold saws, the NHC120NB has 2 CNC controlled axes. The cutting head axis travels on a 45-degree slant bed platform. The cutting axis is ball screw driven and servo controlled. The material index system is also ball screw driven and servo controlled for tight control of the cut length. NHC120NB